The No Key Detected warning appears on your Nissan or Infiniti dashboard when the vehicle's intelligent key system cannot communicate with your key fob. This affects all models from 2007 onwards, equipped with push-button start. Three main causes account for most no key detected warnings. First, a weak or dead key fob battery, typically a CR2025 or CR232 coin cell. Second, signal interference from electronic devices. Third, low vehicle battery voltage below 11.5 volts. The first and most effective solution is replacing the key fob battery. Remove the key fob cover using a small screwdriver, replace the CR2025 or CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up, and reassemble quickly within 10 seconds to maintain programming. If battery replacement doesn't work, use the manual key override. Extract the hidden mechanical key from your key fob. Unlock the driver's door manually. Then place the key fob directly against the push-button start while pressing the brake pedal and start button simultaneously. These immediate solutions resolve 82% of no-key detected warnings without requiring a dealer visit. Most issues stem from simple battery problems that can be fixed in minutes. When immediate solutions fail, advanced troubleshooting becomes necessary. The body control module reset is often the next step to resolve persistent key detection issues. The BCM reset procedure involves three precise steps. First, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. This activates the vehicle's electrical systems while keeping the engine off. Next, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on your key fob simultaneously for exactly 15 seconds. This sends a reset signal to the body control module. Finally, turn the ignition completely off, wait a moment, then restart the vehicle normally. This completes the BCM reset cycle and should restore proper key detection functionality. For persistent issues, professional diagnostic tools may be required. The Consult 3 Plus diagnostic system can perform comprehensive resets and identify specific system faults. The Consult tool connects to your vehicle's diagnostic port and can reset antenna modules, clear error codes, and re-register key fobs with the system. This level of diagnosis typically requires professional service. Prevention is the most effective approach to avoiding key detection issues. Regular maintenance and proper care can prevent most problems before they occur. Replace your key fob battery every 2 years, even if it appears to be working. Proactive replacement prevents unexpected failures and maintains optimal signal strength. Test your key fob range every 6 months by checking the maximum distance at which it can unlock your vehicle. Reduced range often indicates a weakening battery or system issue. Environmental factors significantly impact key fob performance. Store spare key fobs away from electronic devices and extreme temperatures to maintain their functionality. Temperature extremes can affect electrical conductivity and battery performance. Cold weather reduces battery voltage, while heat can damage electronic components inside the key fob. Following these advanced troubleshooting steps and prevention strategies will help maintain reliable key detection in your Nissan or Infiniti vehicle. Regular maintenance prevents most issues, while proper diagnostic procedures can resolve persistent problems.